Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPJPY and EURJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in both of these instruments. As from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that this instrument showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, starting with GBPJPY. Now, from the GBPJPY perspective, on the monthly, we can see that this market is a long-term bullish market. From this monthly support zone, we have seen that every month the price was bouncing off this support, followed by previous months. There is a strong bounce from this T Doji, and with the Doji formation, we saw that the price has tested this support and then has bounced to the upside. This is the monthly price action, which in a long-term bullish market started new impulse. We can expect now this price to continue to rise to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly time frame, we see that GJ also showing bullish price action. If we draw this channel on the weekly perspective, the price was moving along this channel, and as you can see previous week, this bullish candle is a significant long wick at the top, and also there is a narrow wick at the bottom, and this weekly candle has formed in this important level of support. And this week we saw the market open with a little bit of gap. That's the sign that the market might go up and to create a new higher high. So we saw in the past, whenever the market opens with little bit of gap in this bullish market, we can expect a new higher high, as of the price always move in the direction of the long-term trend. If we look at the daily, we can see that GBPJPY pre- last day of trading week from this important daily support has a strong bounce to the upside from this daily doji that has a strong buying pressure along this zone with this long week candle, a strong rejection of the lower price, followed by today we have seen that so far the market open with a gap, and as soon as market open after little pullback, GBPJPY bulls are buying this market. Now, as this is a long-term bullish market, as you can see from the daily as well, it is maintaining a typical uptrending market structure. The price already grabbed liquidity from this daily support. We can expect now the price to continue to rise up to create a new higher high, as monthly, weekly, and daily aligning with the same direction. So looking at the further lower time frame on the intraday, we see that this is the candle that in fact has crossed again below this support on the lower time frame and form an inverted head and shoulder, along with a strong liquidity gap crossing all this low, giving a very high probability for GBPJPY to continue to rise. As soon as we will find on the pullback after closing of this candle on 20 minutes time, we will be considering going long if it satisfy all the rules of our strategies. Now let's look at Euro JPY. Now Euro JPY, as you have seen in the live streaming, we are running a successful trade from the zone, a bullish trade. Let's look at how we can find another opportunity. Looking at monthly perspective on Euro JPY, as usual, we see that this one also long term bullish market. This is the monthly support that is being respected for quite a few months. Every time the price was coming down to the support zone, bouncing of this support, and last month we have seen a T doji like the GJ and form this strong liquidity candle, followed by we saw that now the price is moving to the upside, creating a strong impulse on the lower time frame. Already the price is crossing this monthly resistance. We can expect a strong breakout with a new higher high and higher low. Now, from the weekly perspective, we see that EURJPY also showing typical bullish market structure. There is a doji here, followed by a long bullish engulfer, another doji, another bullish engulfer. We saw past week there is another doji, which in fact a continuation pattern. Now, as a result, we saw that once the market open, Euro JPY is pushing to the upside, creating new higher high. What I think that as this is a continuation pattern, the price might respect this weekly doji and could continue to rise to the upside on the lower time frame. So if we look at for the lower time frame on the daily, we can see that euro jpy last day of trading week was completely a manipulation. Here we saw strong breakdown and then immediately has gone up as a bullish doji. Now this daily doji has crossed almost a week's low, grabbed all the liquidity that it needs for this movement, and we see that the market now pushing to the upside. Now with that movement we can expect now euro jpy to continue to rise to the upside on the lower time frame. So from the lower time frame on the intraday, you can see that the price, this current session's candle again has dropped to this level where there is a high liquidity and form an inverted head and shoulder, and now the price is breaking to the upside. As you are running a trade along the zone which is almost hitting the tip, you will be looking to have another one as soon as you will see the candle closed and giving us a trading opportunity. According to the rules of our strategies, we see that in that zone there is a high probability that euro jpy may continue to rise. As soon as you will find, again we will be entering a buy trade with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section what's your setup on gbpjpy and euro jpy. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.